So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our um, GBPJPY. So let's go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day. But first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to Telegram in the comment section. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement right here. If you take a look at this GBPJ, you can clearly see that GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend. So market is literally trending to the upside. So this is it, right? This is our impulsive move. The market was able to give us a pullback phase. The market then push up again to form, give us another impulsive move, take us the pullback phase. That tapped our 10 plus our trend line, by the way, tapped our trend line. And this is also the impulsive move. And now this is the pullback that came close to tapping our trend line. Market was able to give us this impulsive move right here. This impulsive move literally took out this previous high. Now this is the pullback phase that has now tapped our trend line. Now that it has tapped the trend line, we should expect market to push up again in the long run to give us an impulsive move that will eventually take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move what you should be expecting on our GBPJPY. So if you are not yet in the buy on your GBPJPY, now is the best time to going for the buy, because with this movement, by the time markets push up to take out this high, we would have gotten about 360 pips. So this is about 360 pips potential to cash. And this is about 360 plus pips right to catch on your GBPJPY. So this is one of the reasons why you need to go in for the buy. If you are not yet in the buy, now is the best time to go in for the buy. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.